That's your fault, because I told you that.
It's cold in here.
Put your sweater over your glove. Not your coat, your sweater. Where's your sweater? I told you to hold your sweater.
Here it goes. Jossie. Johnny. I'm not playing with you.
No throwing. Play by yourself.
Come here.
Let me see if I can climb. I'm on top of the world.
Hey, boy. Hey, I'm bigger.
Come on, I could do snow angels over there. Come on, come in here. Come. Come, Josh. Leave it, leave it. Leave that snow alone. Come, come. Right there. We're going to go in there where it hasn't been touched.
No, I know I'm playing. That's just anything. I didn't do that. What, that? No, don't step on it. It's clearly yours. Okay, I'm there.
Come on, let's go in there. Joshy, right there. Right here, in here.
No, you can play.
You want to stay here?
Yeah.
Why stay here?
Okay.
And Caitlin. She bundled up. Johnny, put your hat on, please.
Nice. Oh,
I didn't say it was snowing, but you're going to get cold.
don't care.
He said he's not playing. Stop throwing snow at him, he said.
Crack your snow open.
Can you do something, Johnny? You're boring right now. I'm going to do a snowman. You're not going to help me? Do a snowman?
Yeah. Why?
We're going to do it right here? We'll do it right here? You got to add to here. No, get snow to add. Get your bowl. Get your bowls. Get your bowl.
Come here.
Give me his bowl. Give me your bowl, Johnny. Give me your bowl. Give me the other one then. Give me the other one. What you doing?
Breaking some snow.
I'm not helping you. I'm not helping you.
Fine,
Yeah, nah.
my mouth.
Yeah, nah. This is frozen. I don't want to play with frozen snow. It's frozen snow. It's hard.
Ow.
Oh, my knees are frozen already. Oh, my knees are cold. I don't gotta pick up snow. I could just scoop it up and throw it at you. Put your hat on, Josh. You're gonna get wet in your snow. The snow gonna wet you. Put your hat on. We'll throw snow at you. The snow is so hard already. What? Where look like I'm going? Do you see me leaving? Do you see me leaving? Oh, you just threw me. Yeah, for Kevin. Some soup for Kevin. Hey. Oh. Almost hit the first floor window. He's fine. I can't because I got the coat on.
Oh, God.
Oh, Caitlin!